Hey friends, here's a little video series on AskCody Maps. As you know, we recently launched our immersive, interactive and responsive maps, being real maps, not just floor plans or blueprints, but being a complete digital layer of the workplace, represented right in AskCody. And with maps, it's a really great opportunity to really digitalize in your workplace and connect employees with the workplace, making the workplace much more accessible in new ways. With maps, you can visualize your office space and make your office space come to life with all your meeting and workspace data right from Outlook and Microsoft Teams. As AskCody, of course with the wider AskCody platform, is tightly integrated with Microsoft's ecosystem and Microsoft Exchange, of course. Maps is therefore simply the best way to really visualize your Outlook or Microsoft Teams calendar. You can now book rooms or workspaces just like when booking a seat in an airplane or tickets for a concert or a cinema, and the booking is saved right in your Outlook calendar as we leverage Microsoft's data model underneath. Bookings of rooms or workspaces are therefore also available in your Outlook and Teams calendar, and vice versa. In AskCody Maps, you can immediately see availability of the room, free business status, and also of the workspace you want to book. You can see office amenities or office features, room equipment, room size, room capacity. The room layout can be set exactly as in the real world. You can see where your co-workers are working for the day or where they have booked a space to work. Just click on a desk and you can easily book it. As you've already signed in with your Microsoft single sign-on, bookings is simply with one click. You're already set as the organizer. Check the next videos and see how booking a workspace is done.